Alright, so here's my Toyota Sienna. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put a oil catch can for this vehicle. And first thing we have to do is remove the cover. So yeah, let's do it. So to remove this cover, just pull this out. It's just a clip in here, like so. Right, so here's our PCV bulb, right? So here's where we're going to connect our oil catch can. So all we have to do now is just find a place where we can put, maybe here I put my catch can. Yeah, this would be a good place. Yeah, so here's the catch can I have. So just gonna go there, like so. And it will be easy access. So yeah, while you're in here, it's better to it's a good time to clean your PCB bulb or replace it if you have a new one. So you're gonna need a 19mm to remove this. So here's the oil catch can set up now there, nice and firm. As you can see, now just get the existing hose, put it in there, and just measure it, the amount that you need. So basically probably need this much around here, because I still have to put the fittings here. Right, so put the fittings back. So just measure it like that. If you're happy with your measurement, then you can cut the hose here. Okay, it's finally done. So here's how I set it up. I actually didn't use the old hose because it's too hard. You can't even squeeze it. You won't go into my fittings. So I got another hose from the other vehicle. So just put them together and it's right there. So it's just enough to round in there. So now we'll see, put the cover. You could put the cover here. Should have enough space. Right. There you go. That's it. Just look like a original. Right. That's it. So if you want to remove your oil, just turn it here. And there you go. Right? You can dump it, and then you're good. Put it back. Be careful when you put it back, because you don't want to cross thread. So you don't have to tighten this really tight, because there's a O-ring in there. Right, as you can see, it's a little bit loose, but you can feel it that it's a little bit snug. Then it should be okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching.